Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make a cooling spearmint lavender sunburn gel. As we're approaching the summer months, a lot of us are going to spend a lot of time in the sun, and even with our best efforts, sometimes that sun will get us, and a sunburn is very uncomfortable. And in order to help the healing process and to have some comfort, I am going to show you how to make a simple sunburn gel. We are going to, first you're going to need a glass container. I picked this up at a local Japanese store called Daiso. It's cost $1.50 if I'm not mistaken. Very nice jar. Has a plastic lid, but you want to have a you want to have a glass jar for this. Okay, you're going to need aloe vera gel. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree. No, I got this at the 99-cent store. So either way, $1. And you'll need some essential oils. We have here lavender and spearmint. Let's get started. I'm going to use this jar to mix up all of my ingredients. And first we will need around 4 ounces of aloe vera gel. Now, as you can see, this has been used, and this alone is 6 ounces. So as far as 4 ounces, let's see how we can get. I have this measuring cup here. This is a nice little cup. You fill it all the way to the top. It's a quarter of a cup. But also inside, I don't know if you can see that, inside I do have a measurement for ounces. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze as much of this as I can. If I get up to that 2 ounce mark, that would be perfect. So like I said, the original recipe for this calls for 4 ounces, but using what I have, I'm going to cut this recipe in half and just use 2 ounces. So I filled this up to the 2 ounce mark. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. All right. Now, to mix up our ingredients, I usually use a whisk, but for this I'm going to use a fork because it's not that much. So there we are. There is our aloe vera gel. Now for lavender, I am going to use 10 drops. 10 drops of lavender oil. Okay. That's about 4, 6. Okay. There we go. All right. So there we have 10 drops of lavender oil, and spearmint oil I will just put in 5 drops. 3, 4, 5. There we go. All right. When it comes to essential oils, less is more, because we are going to be applying this to our skin, and some essential oils, they are known to be a little bit caustic to the skin. As you can see, it's changing. The color is changing. This was green. They put a dye in this aloe vera gel. I'm not particular about dyes. I don't like dyes in my products, but you know, saving money. Spent $1, get what you get. There we are. So there, it's nicely mixed, and oh, it has a very nice scent to it. Okay, so then once you're done, you have that burn. Take it. I think I have a little bit of a burn right here. I do burn fairly easy. Something in my genetics, I suppose. But as I put it on, as I apply it, I can feel the cooling, the cooling of the spearmint. Mint is a very cooling, and spearmint is also very cooling. And I feel moisture, and it's soothing. And the aloe and the lavender is very good for antibacterial, antiseptic things. So if you burn, you get blisters, or if your skin is broken, you know, this will also soothe that. If you get a very bad burn, it's recommended that you see a doctor about that. Many times things that you do at home will exasperate it, and you don't want that to happen. So anyway, you use a glass container, seal it up till next time you use it. Now, yes, this is a big container, and what I do, I use what I have at home, and this will be pretty much used up fairly quickly, so I could just wash it and then make more when needed. So anyway, another thing about this gel that I think you would probably appreciate is that because of the spearmint and the lavender, this will also serve as, if you have some congestion, if you get you one of those summer colds and you have that congestion, you could take this, rub it on your chest, and it'll help open up your sinuses. So anyway, I hope that's helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button down below. And until next time.